My friends leave me. My friends left me there. Yeah, I don't know. They were planning without me. I don't know, they hate me. They said I'm too crazy. No, they said I am too crazy. They get embarrassed in that public. I have flesh and blood and not plastic. Excuse me. No. Actually, I'm quite annoying in real life. Really, if you were here right now, I'm going to annoy you. Ah, hot dog. Because I will punch your feet. Just kidding. Kapoy na ko. Dili, kisan. Ah, Lord. Tabang. You know. Fuck you, brother. Brother, I'm still 13. Shut up. What? What did I say? Oh, just tell me. What the fuck? Nothing. That's my favorite emoji. It means I'm laughing, not crying. Nothing. It's silly. What? What? Pakanon tit dahon ron. Kapuya di ukol oy. Sumbagay takol.